Hello everyone, my name is Johan Santos and today I'm going to present you how to install and maintain guide for genomic sequence application. The application requirement. The software to run the application could be Windows 7 or up, Mac operating system, and Ubuntu 14.0. You can use also NetBeans or Eclipse for doing your coding. And the development environment is Apache Linux, PostgreSQL, phpMyAdmin, and PHP. But today I'm gonna be focused mostly on the PostgreSQL and phpPgAdmin. How to install PostgreSQL 9.4. You install PostgreSQL by sudo apt-get installation Postgres and then contribute. You also need to access a Postgres command prompt by sudo -u PostgreSQL Postgres. And you can set the Postgres user password as the following, like Postgres, and then you have to enter your password and then enter again, and then you close it with the Postgres equal to /q. How to install phpPgAdmin. You install phpPgAdmin by typing sudo apt-get install phpMyAdmin, and by default you can access PHP using localhost as phpMyAdmin. How to access remotely to phpPgAdmin. You can edit the file in Apache 2 /configuration.phpMyAdmin by sudo nano etc Apache 2 configuration.phpMyAdmin. You need to comment the following line that allows from the port address to the application, and then you need to comment the following line to make the PHP from all system and allow it from all. And you also need to edit the Apache 2 /Apache configuration by sudo v etc Apache configuration and add the following line: include set Apache configuration phpAdmin. Then you need to restart the system by sudo serve Apache restart. Now how to configure phpPgAdmin. You need to edit the file in PHP configuration PHP by sudo nano setup phpAdmin configuration app. Then you need to find the line where you gonna configure your server host and change it as the following below by localhost. And find the line that for the extra security are true and then change it to false, because even though that you install phpMyAdmin for security reason, they will not allow you to log into the system even though you need to change the address for security reason. And then find the line configuration first and set to the true value to the owner. This is to allow you to access to the phpPG configuration as your own owner. Now how to restart service and Apache. So once that you install Postgres and phpMyAdmin, you need to restart everything again like Apache in order to everything fit up, and save and close your file. And this here is an important link that I found very useful, so you can use in case that you were stuck in any of the previous steps. So now this is the PHP homepage that basically just go to your browser and type the name of the application and phpMyAdmin to access to the database. And log into the phpMyAdmin is easily once that you set out your username. Remember that I said that keep it like simple in Postgres is the default one, and you can go ahead and log in. So this is how the inside looks in phpPgAdmin. So you will have here the table and then the sequence. The sequence is very important to have it because the sequence is where you're going to increment the ID in each table. So every time that you create a table, you need to create a sequence. For example, here is a data underscore type. You need to have here data underscore type underscore sequence. That will allow you to any information in that table will keep incrementing, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how to import already database into phpPgAdmin. You just click on the SQL and then you choose a file that you want to import. and then you can run execute. It's very simple in that stage. And to how to install the application, just go clone a repository from our GitHub account. Here is a link that I put it, and you can go ahead and download the whole file. Here is how the file should look to you once you download it. Pretty much once you have this one, you have a fully application running up. And here is a link where you can redirect to the Unomi web application. So that's for today, and thank you for watching.